I decided to take this for a reason. Karen, if I send this to you and you watch it, you made me happy when you recognized the photo and you understood what it means. So tonight, I think it's about 7:30. I'm going to sit down and eat. And what I got for dinner tonight, and I hope this camera doesn't run out, is just a whole bunch of Brussels sprouts, organic, non-GMO, cut up, piece of multigrain toast with some fresh apricot, some organic non-GMO carrots cut up, same thing with the yellow pepper, a handful of cashews that are raw, organic stuff, and then my homemade hummus. It's just some bell pepper that you see there, some oil. Actually, I shouldn't call this one hummus. This is a potato and cheese spread. So it's potatoes, cashews, water, oil, sea salt, black pepper, and a little bit of an orange and yellow bell pepper thrown in there raw. And that's my meal for tonight. I did have something I'm going to show you in a minute. This is a green grass juice. So this is good for alkalinity, some more vitamins and minerals. I'm going to show you the picture as well for anybody else watching this. Alright, so I had this already. I just finished it actually. It's just a plant-based all-in-one shake. It's a replacement meal filled with vitamins and minerals, 20 grams of protein. It's going to be hard to show you because of the writing so small, but you can look it up online. This is the small version. I had to buy 2 smalls because they were out of the large. This is like nine servings compared to say 18. But again, it's a little bit tough to get on camera here, my camera especially. But basically, it's got all vitamins and minerals, B12, all kinds of stuff. It's actually a good chocolate flavor as well. Then over here is spirulina, and this has like 200 to 300%. Even though this new jar doesn't label it, it tells you that it has it in it, but it doesn't list it anymore because it lists other stuff instead. But it's super high in vitamin A, B12, and it's all naturally occurring. And I can't remember, but there was major things like B12, A, and something else, like 300%. Then iron and magnesium is like 40%, like a whole bunch of stuff like that. Oh, this one's saying 20% on the iron, so the iron went down a little bit. It used to be 40%. So it's got a naturally occurring, they gave me all the scientific docs. So like I said, A and B12, and it's got even like 2-3 grams of protein in it too, and it's only 1 teaspoon. I mix it in with my green grass juice, which is tons of grasses and then veggies and herbs and roots and all that, and it's got vitamins and minerals as well. I can't remember if it's raw. Let me pause this for 1 second. So no, it doesn't say anything about raw, so it's probably like dehydrated or juiced or however they do it, but it's excellent. So it's an alkalinity. So it's all vegan, it's non-GMO, all things organic and everything like that. So that's my meal for the night. So that's what I'm having now at my meal, and I had that earlier. And that's it. That's all I eat. Sometimes I don't have to eat anything. Sometimes I eat a little more. It's simple. Now I'm going to show you a picture. And real briefly, I've been growing my own food for the past year. So I got a whole bunch of lettuce there and tons of cucumbers, tons of strawberries and herbs and stuff like that. So that's another thing I've been adding to it. All right, so this is the banner on my YouTube, just to help people along. And there's a picture I kind of pasted on there, just showing you the regular, Western diet, giant meal, eat 3 meals a day. A little bit smaller meal, maybe 2 meals a day, still a large meal, probably still meat and dairy and all that kind of stuff. Then here's a vegetarian, just eating probably fruits all day, or maybe 1 meal a day. And then the guy that just drinks water, and then the human who doesn't have to eat anything. Now I added to this because this ain't truthful. They should have showed people glowing. Oh, hold on 1 second. Oh, wait, hold on 1 second. Let's see, let's go back here real quick. I can't, hold on 1 second. I'm trying to shut my camera off. Alright, so I forgot I have a touch screen, so it touched and moved it. They should have showed these people glowing with auras more and more and more. And not just the sunlight, the spiritual light, that's just not physical, that's a spiritual light. I don't know if you can pick it up there. You know what, I'm going to show you something better, a version of it. So here's my documented picture. So I added that. That's your core light, your spiritual core light, your solar plexus. So that's really what's happening. Yeah, you get stuff outside you from your aura, from our sun and all the energies of the cosmos and everything like that. But mostly it's an internal thing. Oh, I touched it again, darn it. It's an internal thing. And the more you glow and flow, the more your aura looks in it as well, and you're healthy and well and stuff like that. So you basically, one meal a day. And it would be, you could see how comparable they are. They start to get more comparable as they go this way and less that way, you know? So eat healthy, eat raw. Let me switch it back there real quick. Eat raw as you can. Learn to grow your own food, non-GMO, organic. Less yourself down to one meal a day, tons of water, and just plant materials, you know, fruit, nuts, seeds, veggies, herbs, whatever it is. And remember, it's an inner thing too. It's a conscious thing. It's a lifestyle. It's not just the meal doing that. It's a conscious change in your lifestyle, in your consciousness and in your awareness. All right? And again, it's the best picture I've found of food and energy. But that's why I added the sun in the middle, because it's really the sun within you, the light within you, your core spark is what really does that. And when your mind and your heart, your emotions and your thoughts are aligned, then you live like that. And when the world isn't so crazy and things are better, we'll evolve into this. Everybody will evolve to this level at least, hopefully in the next decade. And then, we'll all evolve as a species into not having to eat at all if we don't want. And when we change our consciousness and our energy field, food reacts different within us and our bodies. The laws of science are different. As the consciousness changes, we shift into a whole new reality, and the laws of science and everything will change with that. All right? So there, real quickly, there's the meal again. Nice, fresh, awesome. If you're interested in a chocolate, Vega is the best. Garden of Life I like Garden of Life the best, that company, and the ingredients and the protein they use and all that over it all. But their chocolate is a little bit lacking, but I still would get it. What I do is I mix two and two together, half of this, half of that, because they got different things in them. This is called Amazing Grass. Remember, the other one was called Garden of Life. This is Nutrex Hawaii. I don't know where it is on here, but it's called Nutrex Hawaii, not pure Hawaiian. It's called Nutrex Hawaii. Somewhere along here. There it is. It's great. It's probably the best company. They'll send you all the data and everything. If you want it, ask me, and I'll send you the data. They gave it to me already in PDF form and everything. So I'll send that to you. And that's how I've been living for 10 years, 11 years. All right? Lots of love to you all. Bye-bye.